What's up, guys? Today I will be telling you guys how to get to the moon. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you how to get to the moon. Please like and subscribe, because this is my third time recording this video. Please, I need this. Okay, you will need 2 teleport guns, an umbrella. You can use any umbrella, by the way. And yeah, that's all you'll need. So the first step is teleporting up here. You're gonna want to go to this factory area. Shout out to Uncle Steve for teaching me how to do this, by the way. So okay, now when you're under here, just teleport over here. Now teleport up. Now when you're here, you're gonna stand right here and then jump forward. Use the teleport gun to go like right next to this area, this tree, and you should be here. Next, you're gonna go over here. You want to go above that tree right there because we don't need it. We're going to that corner right over there. Okay, we are here. Now you're gonna want to run as fast as you can. Oh shoot, I almost fell. All the way over here to this peak. You're gonna want to go. You see that right there? You're going to like high above it. Now teleport. You need to teleport high up. When your screen turns back, you're gonna want to, planetarium. You're gonna want to look around for the planetarium. I doubt you could make it to the planetarium first try. Yeah, this is gonna take a while. Yeah, but it's there. I'm still on the latest update of Animal Company. And we are in. The cars are here, and oh yeah, that car's just, it moves on its own. Okay, and oh, here's and you also got the OG shop right here. I wish we had a stash up here. Yeah, but this is the latest update. I'm in the moon. Latest update. We've got building materials. Yeah, so that is how you get to the moon map. In 2026. Unfortunately, I can't bring the cars back because I got no heart gun. And you can, I forgot how to use this car. Oh, do front flip. Yo, that was sick. Oh. Wait, can I do the loop-de-loop? Hold on, I'm gonna try to do. Oh, that was disappointing. Oh, shoot. Can you still... Wait, what? Can you press this button? Can you get the OG Animal Company? Wait, you can actually press it. Yeah, and this is the latest update. There's snow everywhere. We've got a green screen. And yeah, you can go into right here. And you're in the normal map.